Hi everyone, meet the Hsicily Electric Spin Scrubber featuring a powerful 4000 mAh battery that lasts up to 210 minutes per charge. This cordless scrubber comes with 5 replaceable brush heads designed for various cleaning tasks and tougher grime removal. It offers 2 adjustable spin speeds between 400 and 450 RPM to tackle both light and deep cleaning jobs efficiently. The device includes a handy digital display to monitor battery life and adjust speed for uninterrupted performance. Its extended 10-inch handle and lightweight design make cleaning hard-to-reach areas easy and comfortable. Plus, the IPX7 waterproof rating means you can safely use it on sinks, tubs, tiles, windows, and more. Experience effortless cleaning with this versatile, easy-to-store spin scrubber that saves time and energy. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.